Hello, good morning everyone. This is Untitled Roshan and today we will be taking the topic of Semrush. So let's see what are the options available in Semrush. So do watch the video till the end. So I will be giving you my best advice when you need to use the Semrush, or does it having the value to give the price that it asks for, as Semrush is a paid tool. So what it offers and all, and those who are new to my channel, they can subscribe my channel. Those who can share to it other people, basically to get the digital marketing. As if you go in my YouTube channel, there are playlists, so as per what you want to learn, you can go and you can learn that, like SEO, Google Ads and all that. For example, if I show you, you can go here in the YouTube and you can search basically my name. Particularly you can go and you can search Untitled Roshan. So if you haven't subscribed that, you can go and you can do that. So here you can see the particularly my channel, and then you can go and you can see here the playlist. So again, I have all kind of playlists particularly, so you can go and you can subscribe to that playlist, and here you can see social media, then social media marketing, then for SEO, then again affiliate marketing, then digital marketing, email marketing, keyword research. So as per you, whatever you want, you can go and you can learn that. Now let's come back to our topic. So we will be doing this Semrush. So we will be doing the analysis of what are the options available in Semrush. So as per digital marketing, as we know, three important part we have in digital marketing. So SEO, advertisement and social media. So let's see for SEO, and majorly this Semrush is being used for you can say SEO analysis, as well as seeing the advertisements. And now they are offering the social media also, so we will be seeing how much money we should give, so that they will be doing that, and they are offering for Google My Business also, so they can gives us the recommendation how well we can optimize that. So again, first thing, suppose I want to know about a website. So what I can do is I can go here to any website that I want to check. So for example, suppose I want the analysis of this website, suppose. So I can go here and I can copy. So it is a designer clothing brand. So I can go here and I can particularly put here in the particularly domain, and I can search here. I can go and I can search on that. So once I search on that, now again I can get here the report. So again, I can choose between the first country, guys, like if it is India, UK or US, and again I can change here the from desktop or mobile what I want to do. So suppose I want to check for worldwide. So again, authority score, you can say, again this is a domain rating as per Semrush. It is not as per most, like DA, domain authority, if you remember. So it is kind of similar, but it is Semrush own score. The higher the score, the better the website is. And then you can see here organic search traffic. So this is SEO traffic that this website is getting. Then you can say here paid search traffic we can know. So paid search is whatever from the ads that we are getting. Then we have the backlinks, how many backlinks they have, and then we have the display advertising. So what are the display advertisement then these guys are running, and what are the traffic they are getting from it. So again, if you see here organic, so you can see here the bracket of what particularly are the major country they are getting from the traffic. So for organic, you can see India is the most one, 82%, then US, then UK, then Canada, and then other basically we have. Then afterwards, like suppose if I want to see for the paid, so I can go and I can see. So for the paid, again India is the leading, then US, then Australia and Canada, and then others. So again, if I want to do any business like this, or suppose I am handling any designer clothing brand, so I must be seeing like, okay, from where they are getting the measure of traffic. So I can also target that in my advertisements, so that I can get the best maximum results basically. Then again I can scroll down here, so I can again see the top organic keywords, means whatever the words they are ranking for. So here you can see the designer sari, lehenga design, ground design, panya pop-up shop, so designer dresses. So these are the keywords they are ranking, and these are the volume that particularly these are having. What is volume? Like average monthly search volume basically. And again particularly, so I can get an idea, okay, these are the some of the keywords that they are ranking for. So I can see here the position as well, means what position they are ranking. Now again, particularly you can see keyword by intent means what kind of keywords they are ranking. So you can say informational, navigational, commercial or transaction. Information in the sense like designer clothing or again women's clothing. So those are informational. Navigational for like you can say women designer clothing or Sabyasachi designer clothing. So that will be navigation to a particular part, and commercial could be like buy like Sabyasachi clothing, buy Manish Malhotra clothing, and transaction could be black dress, Sabyasachi black dress, Sabyasachi red dress, Sabyasachi lehenga, a particular name. So that could be a transactional keyword. So you can see here the percentage of keywords, so that again can give you an idea so how you can go about your keyword research and all that. Now again you can see here the main organic competitor for that. So again you can see the name and you can see the keywords and all that. Then again, particularly if I scroll down, so again I can see here the top paid keywords, like what are the keyword that they are advertising on. So you can see bridal, lehenga, aza, potli bags and Kalki fashions are the major one that they are targeting here. Then again if I go, you can say paid position distribution, what number they are coming. So you can say again majority of time they are coming on the first, and then like sometime they are coming on the second and third as well. Now again if I see my main paid competition, so again like particularly you can see here the main paid competition that they have. Then again if you scroll down, here are the some of the ad that we can see that they are running. So again this is very helpful. Suppose in case I am handling the like you can say advertisement of any brand, and I want to know like how it can be done. Particularly I'm not getting the idea like how to write the you can say headline, how to write the descriptions and all. So you can see here the title, the URL and the description that they have written. So again I can take tons of idea from that. So these are the most popular ad that are running for that brand. Then again you can know here the backlinks, whatever backlinks that they have, and lot of you keep asking me for how to know no follow and do follow backlinks. So here you can get the no follow and do follow backlinks, and again you can get here follow, no follow backlinks. So here you can see like they have 596.87k follow backlinks and no follow backlinks basically. So again I can go, you can see here backlinks type, like how much text, frame, form or image link you have. So most of them are the text link. So again top anchors means the word that they are putting the links on. So it's like luxury fashion brand Imreshing, then again minimals, bride to be, redefining luxury fashion, the commentators of men's luxury fashion, the true virtue of luxury and fashion, and these are the referring domains particularly, and you can see how many backlinks they are getting from. Then again index pages, all the pages that has been indexed by Google. So you can see here the detail, and again like particularly how many backlinks they have per page that you can see. Now again here you can see the display advertisement what they are having. So here you can see particularly what are the websites that they are like having that advertisements basically, and what image, what text percentage they have, and then landing page means where people will go when they see the ads and they click on that. Then again you can see here the sample ads. So again these all details you can get with the one click of that. So again overall if you say SEMrush, so again it is a good tool to have, particularly to get all these insight, because again if I check it manually it will take a lot of times, but again you can see within 5 minutes or within 2 minutes I can get all those details. So they have individual also, you can go and you can do that, particularly like keyword overview, position tracking, backlink analysis and all. So for example, suppose I want to do the backlink analysis, so I can go here and I can do the backlink analysis of this. So again I can go and I can see here and I can export the PDF file as well. So I can see here new and lost backlinks, what are the backlinks that they have, basically backlinks type, link attribution, no follow, do follow, top country, top level domain distribution, link profile distribution, similar profile. So again I can go and I can see that full report one by one. So overall again I will suggest this tool if you are doing the full competitor analysis for SEO and again advertisement. We can go and we can get a lot of tool. My favorite is just once you go to the home page particularly, and again you can go and you can do the analysis. For example, if I do for any other also, suppose I want, for example I want for Flipkart, suppose I want to have a website like Flipkart. Suppose I am working for Amazon and I want a deep insight of Flipkart. So I can go here and I can click on search. So within 1 or 2 minutes, like you can say Jiffy or fraction of second, they are giving us the results. So I can again see the traffic, page search, backlink display. So all the information I can get in that. So again, this is the tool that you will need if you are handling multiple projects as a freelancer. If you are having multiple projects, so this tool again can help you to again gain much insight so that you can decide your own brand strategy that you are working for. Apart from this, all details that we discussed, like again some of the things that you can include is this listing management. So if you want, you can add to that. So again, you can buy that, particularly listing managements and all. So if you click on buy now, so again you will see like I can enter that and contact me. So they will be giving me particularly that. And for free listing checks also they have. So again, you need to write the company name and they can check that. Then local SEO, that review and rating part. So again, like particularly you can click on buy now and you can enter the email and they will be contacting you for that. Then afterwards, apart from this, social media also you can have. So social media dashboard you can go and you can again get started with that. So again, like you can schedule the post, you can get insight, you can track the competitors, and again you can boost your post, like you can advertise the post from here only, and you can create the ads as well particularly. So some of the information that they give, that is very helpful to save the time basically. So I can manage all these things here to see like how I am performing and how my competitor is performing. After that, you will see their content marketing program is there. So again, you can go to that dashboard and again you can do the topic research here. You can enter the topic and get content idea. So tons of content idea you will get. So you can create a plan also, you can write an article, you can optimize it, so you can analyze and you can measure the impact and all, and you can revise and improve also. So again, if I am creating a blogging or an article for my company, so I can use these tools to like give me a clear idea, or you can say the pipeline they say basically. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5 and all that. Now again, going to that, they have a couple of plan, like you can go to agency solution if you are looking for a lot of people to use that. But again, if you are handling multiple clients, you can also go to them. So again, if you go for their pricing, so again, this is like you can say my current plan is, and then they have the guru, and then they have the business. So you can see here what are all the features you will get particularly. So again, like listing management, so again like I need to pay $20 per month for getting that local SEO review and rating recommendation from that, what they think, what I am lagging in that. So again, if you want more things, you can surely go with that this guru plan and then business plan. But again, this plan is good to start with basically. So this is what we have for SEMrush, guys. Those who are new to my channel, do follow my channel to get regular update, because I will keep posting the new things for you regarding digital marketing. So thank you guys, have a great day ahead, and do not forget to subscribe or share with other people, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys.